Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe for a really easy 7-layer salad that's low carb, keto friendly, gluten free and veggie friendly too. And if you like the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions that you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for when you want to make this recipe. So let me quickly talk you through the seven foods I'm including in the recipe, and then we'll get making it. We're going to start with some lettuce here. I've just got some Irish mini cos lettuce. You can use any lettuce you like or spinach instead. We've got cucumber over here. I'm using a lovely whole fresh cucumber. I'm going to just chop up and use as much as I need, with each ingredient ready just as much as you need. I've got avocado, hoping it's a nice one. We'll see when we get inside. I hard-boiled a whole lot of eggs yesterday, kept them in the fridge, and so now we've got some hard-boiled eggs to include in the salad for some good protein. I am using a red pepper, but it really just depends how many carbs you want to allocate to your salad, but red pepper is what I'm going to include. I've got some sour cream over here for lovely creaminess, and I like including cheese in my 7-layer salads. You can either include regular grated cheese, or I've got these Parmigiano Reggiano shavings. It kind of adds an element of saltiness and lovely flavor. If you want this to be definitely vegetarian, or serve this to someone who is vegetarian, or you're vegetarian yourself, just be sure to use vegetarian cheese. That's all. Just make sure this one is actually not vegetarian friendly, but you can get other kinds of cheese that are. So let me get started. I'm going to get out my dish and start layering up my salad. So I'm using this rectangular meal prep container to make my salad in, and it comes with a lid so I can pop the lid on, take it out and about with me, or just keep it in the fridge and have it whenever I want. So we'll start with the first layer, which is lettuce. So I've roughly torn and washed a whole lot of lettuce leaves, and we'll just make a base layer of lettuce leaves for the salad. And next I've roughly chopped up red pepper, and we'll add that in for a bit of color contrast and texture. There you go, you can see just lovely contrast of the green and the red, so vibrant. And now we'll do the next layer. And next we'll go for a layer of cucumber that I've just cut into rounds. And there you go, just a layer of cucumber, and you can see it's starting to take shape. You've got the red, the green, and next I'm going to peel some of these hard-boiled eggs and pop a layer on top of that. So I'll just move that aside a sec. I've got my hard-boiled egg over here. I'm just using a hard-boiled egg slicer to slice perfect rounds from my egg. And we'll just pop this back, because then it kind of looks perfect, doesn't it? On top of the cucumber, to have just some lovely egg going with it. And I'll just fill this layer with egg. I ended up needing a third egg to fill my layer, but it really just depends on how much egg you want and how thick a layer you use. I used 3 eggs in total. You might need 2, 3, 4. Just boil up a whole pot if you're going to use eggs, because you'll always use them. We love them as snacks. My kids will just eat them by the bowl full. But yeah, look, it's coming together. Just a couple more layers to go. Next we're going to take a look inside the avocado and see how it looks. I've cut into the avocado. It actually looks pretty good. Yay! So I'm just going to slice it up and pop a layer of avocado on top of the egg. Okay, just pop it anyhow along, just to fill a layer of avocado. And this is the only layer I'm not completely covering. I'm quite happy just kind of haphazardly popping the avocado along, just making a nice layer of it, because I'm not using 4 avocados in this. One is perfect, and I'm quite happy with the creaminess and everything that includes. So yeah, next we're going to add on our sour cream. And you can use a mix of sour cream, mayo, you can mix them together. You could add salt, seasoning, any layer you like, but I'm quite happy just now adding sour cream, pouring it over. It just keeps it simple. I kind of use most of the tub of sour cream, but when it kind of distributes all through, it's kind of perfect. And I find having this layer of sour cream at the top kind of seals everything in, so you can keep this for a few days in the fridge and it is alright. Okay, getting there. Final layer of parmesan now. Okay, now you can, as I said, either pop grated cheese on top, or these Parmesan, almost like Parmesan chips, and they are just lovely and just perfect. A perfect finishing layer to my 7-layer salad. And there you go. My salad is done. You can see the lovely layer on top. You could have there's so many adaptations for this salad. I'll leave loads of ideas in the blog post down below, but if you carefully take a look at the layers, you can see all the colors sticking out there. The lovely red peppers, the green from the cucumber, there's some egg poking out a little bit over there, and the avocado and the lettuce. It makes such a lovely meal, such a lovely side dish. It's just perfect to make ahead, keep in the fridge when you know you're going to be stuck for a meal or a side, or you can grab and go and take it to a picnic when you're out and about, when you want to go out and about. Grab and take it to a picnic. A potluck is just absolutely perfect, and as I said, it's low carb and keto friendly. Just look at those lovely layers. Love the 7-layer salad. Be sure to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the recipe and all the adaptations I've mentioned along the way too. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the salad a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.